You recorded your demonstration or your lecture or your PowerPoints or whatever as a screencast, and now you want to be sure your students watch it prior to your conference. So you can go to Add Materials. You can make it an assignment. Just make it an ungraded assignment, most likely. So you add an assignment, and you can call it, whatever your subject is. So maybe it's science. Watch this prior to our conference on Thursday or whatever. So then you will go to your video. So let's say this is your video, and copy the link. Control-C or right-click and copy. Come back to your course. Watch this video prior to Thursday. Note any questions or comments while you view. So then you can just hyperlink the word video, or you can hyperlink all of this. So highlight all of this. Here's the hyperlink button. So you click this insert to insert a hyperlink and paste that link from that video that you just copied. So that hyperlinks those words there. You can also paste the link down here at the bottom. It's not going to auto grab YouTube titles, so you have to actually type in the title. So it could just be science video, whatever you want to call it, and click attach. Okay, and then you don't have to. You can just make it ungraded if you don't want to column for this in your grade book. But then give it the due date. So if they were supposed to watch it, on Monday, or I don't know, whatever day, if they're supposed to watch it on Wednesday prior to Thursday, you would give it the due date of Wednesday. You can turn off the submissions box because there's nothing that they're going to submit. So again, give it a title, hyperlink the video in the description, make it ungraded, give it a due date, and turn off the submission box and click create. So that will give the students this will show up in their calendar as something that they need to do for the day, but it won't create a column in your grade book. Now, if you are a lower school teacher, or if you would prefer to just make it an event, if you're a lower school teacher, you'll just go to your calendar, just similar to what I'm doing right now. You can just click on the calendar, you'll add an event. And whatever the date is that you want them to watch the video, give it that date. And I would suggest, again, starting with the name of your course, watch this prior to Thursday. And you can actually put the date that you want them to watch it prior to, and you follow the same steps. You just insert the link again. You can attach a link just like I showed in the last one. You can attach a link down here, make it available to all of your sections, and click Save Changes. So that way it will show up in the student calendar. So that's an event, especially for lower school. They don't have the option to put in an assignment. In middle and upper school, you can either put it in as an ungraded assignment. It won't show up in your grade book, or you could put it in as an event.